how to add a discount code in Wix. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a discount code on your Wix website. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log onto your Wix account, and you can see I have two websites. And for this video, I'm going to be adding a discount code on this website over here. So I'll just show you guys, this is the website, and I'm going to add a discount code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my site section, and I'm just going to click on select site over here. Now this will lead me to my Wix dashboard for my website. So once I'm led to the dashboard, what I'm going to do is on your left you have this navigation bar, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on marketing and SEO. And once you click on marketing and SEO, if you scroll down on the left over here at the bottom somewhere, you will find coupons. So you're just going to click on coupons over here. And once you click on coupons, this will load up the coupons that you currently have. So currently I don't have any coupons added to my website, and you can create multiple coupons at the same time to optimize the kind of discounts you want to provide or the kind of marketing strategies you are hoping to adapt with your coupons. So to get started, all you have to do is click on new coupon at the top right over here, and then you're going to add the type of discount you want to offer. So there are multiple kinds of coupons you can offer. The five basic ones are a price discount, so it could be like you get $5 off or $6 off, or it could be a percentage discount, so the person could get 10% or 20% off the total price of their cart or their item. Or you can also add free shipping as a discount coupon. So if shipping costs a lot, then you can offer free shipping to your customers, and that would be a great incentive for them to purchase your products. And then you also have sale price. So instead of having a full price item, if a person adds this coupon, they would get a sale price. So you can add those as well. Or you can also get a buy one, get one free kind of offer as well. So you can add multiple offers like buy two, get one free with this kind of coupon. So if people add 3 items to their cart and they apply this coupon, then they would only be paying for 2 of those items. So to get started, I'm going to show you guys one of the easiest types of coupons, which is a percentage coupon. So what I'm going to name this coupon is I'm going to name it Summer Sale, and then I'm going to add the coupon name to be Summer Sale as well. And then I'm going to add the discount. So this is going to be a 40% discount. So be wary of the kind of discount you're adding. This is going to be a 40% discount on any product or any entire cart. Now after that, you're going to have your apply to section, and then you can add this to a specific product category, a specific collection, a minimum order subtotal as well. So let's say I want to add a minimum subtotal. So maybe I don't want to offer 40% discount on any order that is less than 90. And then you can also include subscription. So customers that will use this coupon for one-time purchases and for every recurring purchase. So they can get a 40% off every time they purchase. Now I'm going to not add that. And then you can also add a validity date for your coupon. So let's say this is a summer sale and I want to end it before the 3rd of April. So if anyone uses this code after the 3rd of April, they would not be getting this discount. So it's summer sale. And then you can also limit the total number of uses for this coupon. So a singular person maybe could use this coupon only twice per email, and then you can limit to 1 use per customer as well. And now I'm just going to click on create coupon. And now that I have created this coupon, what I'm going to do is, you can see I have my website loaded over here, and I'm going to add this to my cart. So I'm going to click on add to cart, and I'm going to click on view cart over here. And once I click on view cart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on enter promo code, and I'm going to enter my promo code called summer sale. And I'm just going to click on apply over here, and now you can see the promo code has given me 100 off, and now the subtotal is 150 instead of 250. So that is how simple and easy it is to create your coupon. Now to further elaborate on how to add coupons, I'm going to show you guys how to add another kind of coupon. So you're just going to click on new coupon, and what you're going to do is buy X and get Y free, and this coupon I would call it buy one get one. and the coupon name would be buy one get one. On this offer, a person buys one item and then they get one item for free, and then you can choose this. So let's say I want to add this to a specific product or a specific collection. So let's say I only want to add this to phone cases, and I want to not set a end date. So whenever a person buys one phone case, they get one for free, and that is a great marketing tactic to use, especially like you can sell instead. People are more likely to buy like a $20 phone case instead of buying two separate $10 phone cases. So this is a great way for people to spend money without actually realizing it, and you can hike up your prices to match any losses that you get or to break even or earn larger profits on these kinds of offers. And now I'm just going to click on create coupon, and now this is the buy one get one a coupon, and this is only valid on phone cases. So if I remove this coupon from here and I enter the incorrect coupon, like get one, what this will do is it will show me an error. So this promo code is only valid for a specific product. So you can see how they have told me that this is not valid for every product, and this is only valid for a specific product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on shop all, and I can go into the phone case category. I'm going to click on phone cases, and I'm going to add these phone cases onto my cart. So I'm going to add to cart, and I'm going to add another phone case, and I'm going to visit my cart. I'm going to click on view cart, and if you have multiple items in your cart, so I have two phone cases and one bag, and if I enter my code buy one get one and I click on apply over here, so you can see over here that only the price of my phone cases have been subtracted. The price of my product, the other product in my cart, has been added to my subtotal as it is. So that is how Wix functions and adds your coupons in a very categorical and systematic function. And if I want to add another coupon, I can also add multiple coupons at the same time. So I can add my summer sale coupon like this. And now you will see that both of my coupons have been applied. You can add certain filters and terms and conditions where two coupons cannot be applied on the same time. So you can add that condition as well to make sure that you don't get any losses from people, adding multiple coupons on a singular cart order. You can add that as well. And that is how simple and easy it is for you to add discount codes or discount coupons onto your Wix store. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.